Hola, amigos! It is your good pal, Ludicolo. Today, we are here for another unboxing video, and I got my pals with me. Hi there, Bert! I'm here for the unboxing video, right guys? Yup, definitely. Cynder, are you ready for this? Yep, definitely. Well, we only got one package, true, but it's a small series. Guess that's fair, really. Alright, let's get started. Alright. Come on, Bert! I bet it might be new clothes for Rubber Ducky. Even though he isn't in the show yet. Or she. I forgot its name, Bert! I can see that. Ugh. Hi, Crumpa. Let's just begin. Oh. Now that is stripping up like opening up a burrito. That's the wrong way around. You know what I mean! Let me just rip up the tag. Whatever. I'm pretty sure it would absolutely get a new one. Seriously. What the? Ay! It's a chicken, Bert! No, it isn't! Oh! Wither up a storm! Whoa! Free Ranger! Cynder! Good to see you! I wonder where are the other SWAT forces are. I must leave them. We must train if Skylands is in danger again. Well, I'm sure it's not. But, I guess you might come. Very well then. Oh, by the way, let's show off Free Ranger. Sorry for the pause. Wither up a storm. Okay, we got Free Ranger. He can swap. So the base is the air element. And we got spin ability. Very nice, really. Well, he is from Skylanders Swap Force for the 3DS on the Star Pack, really. Ugh. I can see that. Anyway, no, allow me. Huh. How do you like that? Well then, that was absolutely something. Very easy, really. Anyway, this is it for the unboxing video. Until next time, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell, just in case you won't miss out any videos. videos. Until next time, bye! Bye! Boy, Bert! By the way, is it me, or is it that this video is very short? Well, considering that we got a Skylander. So yeah, I guess this is very short. Huh. Guess that's quick. Boy. Oh well. Time to get me some macaroni. Okay then. Well, bye everyone.